say your problem with Chairman Sabos, Honorable Chairman Sabos, and others, the party should suffer. Then you're not true blue man, like the people say. If you do that, because say a campaign, you will confront the Mr. Kennedy Japan side. I will label and branded and called Dr. Baumia a liar. They continue saying it, and they affirmed it deep. Say, why you liar, a potential flag bearer then. Jamaica what I say. But about the pacho, when we said that they should also go and apologize, have they apologized? They haven't. But Dr. Baumia creating pressure, he say, as a party the sofa, we don't do that.
You will still need him. You will still need Ninkofo. You will still need people that look up to him. Instead of say, yeah, we are justifying who was right or who is not right. Why don't we sit down, say sorry to each other? Let's forgive ourselves and move on. Don't you think this is a man who is making an honest admission that this is what worries me? So let's address it. The party is run by human beings. The party is not run by robots. The party is not run by program computers. They are so mechanical. Even program computers make mistakes.
I was a free down honorable Kenna compare kwa Japan coding komo ewo net 2 na watch say June July 2027 obema NPP4 showdown some be na na amanfo ababonten abeka Japan wansan mo waka no anko ye amfa ma NPP tapo bebre no no nam so amadodo na say honorable Kenna compare kwa Japan yenyini free NPP party na emtimi for asundwe family party na sansemi ho na ene amakosi kwaten ya wo ye ne kasamafo ababonten abedi enkomo Lawyer Rafon so abedi nkomo amaziga ya wono so political activity wono so ababedi enkomo e dia fa ensem a honorable Ken akopɛ ko Japan e kai ene womo a kyerɛ sɛ yenyi MP honorable FFP MP party busia menye nsem no enkan fa mo mpɛsɛ ensem no bɛyɛ tententen dia ma nto dia ka me ho na yenkonkotie ensem no ye fa e babedi akyi nkomo no ye kɔ no na kyerɛ sɛ omi subscriber tin so ya no wakai sɛ wo de bill no e bɛka ho sa no application for the first person. Yeah, was a bit
interview or criteria boy was totally unnecessary. And I don't know how I'm gonna handle Mr. Kennedy Japan now. Why do we have to allow you to grant interviews? You have thrown in you as an Interior Defense Committee chairman at that time. Obienu our documentation. Obienu obetimi aka ne kure ewo eyinimusion meboa. And you said that we have disappointed people of Ashanti. Don't retaliate. Don't react to anybody. Allow Neyantra Radio TV so now yen discuss side. Neman konfogumi say one hour kind of kwana say a your partner aso mune kind of kwe. But you don't grant interview. Jamaica what I say. You don't grant interview. See, say interview we say. I took my time. I come with all the social media, radio and television, and it is making Oraka the Japan unpopular, and it's like it is turning him to become a certain man. Would you listen to the interview carefully and listen to the time? He's becoming a certain man. Hey, Yetra catch us our bronye. Enkopo Oraka the Japan mebwa. Uncle Padicho. Dr. Baumia should match them. No couple macho. Yankasa Asiwa. Makane several times. I brought you to make control the TV. 80 matem for 1 hour. Koka, Bimini Amenen and Amu. 7 previous. And then some nana met me aka me a sofo. Yachi no 2 women and I'm this cells aquaniaba. No beer banda koka. Men and I'm dear aquaniaba because I have said this on Copa Racket and the Japuacho. Or the Macotra won't to me TV. You would matam. You have the video. Mebwa, Abraham yani bibio because Bakoka son pancho. Yes, we have said that these people should come and apologize to you because and send you oboka and then yet you. And if they have decided not to apologize to you, that's all fair enough. Jamaica what I say, it's a fair enough. It is you between you and them that you don't have anything to do with them, not the party. And you can say your problem with Chairman Sabos, Honorable Chairman Sabos, and others, the party should suffer. Then you're true blue man, like the people say. If you do that, because say a campaign, you will confront the Mr. Kennedy Japan side. I will label and branded and called Dr. Baumia a liar. They continue saying it, and they affirmed it deep. Say, why a liar, a potential flag bearer then. Jamaica, what I say. But about the pacho, when we said that they should also go and apologize, have they apologized? They haven't. But Dr. Baumia creating pressure, he say, as a party, the sofa, we don't do that. When you go to the social media, the people that supported the work in the Japan, that I know, the people that we chat with, they are all angry. They are all angry and not supporting the interview that he did. Because gradually, while Shaya, a Bemana Luxu, your friend is Abaya unpopular. And it's becoming unpopular in the party. Because interview be about granting piano as a set seven previous as a settings. What the hell? Minimum galamse, you go for nine galamse. Yetia ya kuntoka baby galamse yetia. We are fighting and looking for the people that do galamse. If you don't bring it on it, name them. Let us go for them. Because we are fighting galamse in this country. And kofu abo Ghana krono awusu wunim no. Mayan hunu. Let us know the people that corrupted this country. Okay. I will bring them on. Me and discuss it because we are anti-corruption crusader. Now, so what the show that the biasana abekadia. Now you are settings. It's like either you have a skeleton in your cupboard that you are protecting yourself and maybe NDC wouldn't come for you, or you don't want Dr. Baumia to become a president at all costs. That is the beer mentality because he said you are not better. So if you are not better there, I'll take the bitterness off. Then better moment to see. All right. You understand? So please, what you say as member? Yeah. Professor Michael Quay report. Michael Quay report. It was revealed that Mr. Kennedy Japan should be removed from the party by two President Kufuor and some other big ways. No. If they do that, the timing is wrong. Okay. And when you party back or boa party, no. So that suggestion was wrong. Now they have intercepted videos and audios. The party wanted to have a press conference to show to Ghanaians, reveal it, statement and all that, right, to set as an actuality, to justify why they want to take you off from the party, to remove you from the party. Say Ghana for the reason why they want to take you and I say omit your name from the party, remove you from the party. We don't want it in this way. Okay. We want it this way. Okay. What Brahma party was statement? O count ya build we see Kabe rap party him. You reserve yourself. You don't even talk. Let them say that people will fight for you. Today the grassroots that you are fighting for. You got to tell everybody else ask for this one, and no man no message. You should start softening his stance. Okay. It's becoming too much.
Okay, all right.
I was away a cigar near Wundifa Honorable Ken upon Japan, and someone will carry and then the NPP force so air canoe and the Aquacuti Diabana Ghana for the HS. Honorable can compare Japan, no. As a listener says, contest be any power call ye, and I go back as we are. I can send NPP force so because I don't be someone because Ghana fortress honorable in the sending some working son or candidate. Then now we are criticizing NPP, we are criticizing NDC. That time no, na contest be any who to car, na okay. But then a contest no, and a man in some necessary. Me quite say, I was what can say be na. I was saying when the questions are Ghana for be and now to me just say one rabble to me what I can simply say there. Now as a party na kasano. Well, why the care in who the free party because party also per party na some. Now the party no, one member of party and to my free our want. You tell my boy. Near your many yakes here, pa, Galam say, 1 month for ya, and I am more kind to say, honorable Tresse, the party, now pension went to me to Galam say, I say, now because I say, 1 cousin to Galam say, that's a one also Sabrino, while Mamma Cadia, and then not honorable now, you say, or a 2-sided honorable, or the BBS, now Sabrino will say. And this for bet me about the yin to a number of chinny, 1 year before a woman now, questions are Ghana for me, a bisal now, but any never know. the customer focus kwati aba bekasa e kyerɛ sɛ ne e koso no enye no na sa bredi ehia MPP fo ne ehia MPP fo pa eye enkabom ni so wo behwe ama party no asan aye akono bi na rafon so e bekasa ye nko ni nkotie sans ni mienu ye ba e bidin komo
so wo hwe reaction na aba from some of the party communicators ne grassroots for ni be social media no you get the feeling say for most of them no sisi akra de yabrel de bia na wonko na de obeye bia you get that feeling from the reaction, no?
Obi, I'll be dishonest to say I don't get that feeling because in social media they be amateur.
Yes.
Except to say yes, party for them
okay.
You will still need the candidate on his side. What I say? What about also the silent people? We have a party as Sebio Nyado. We have the track record to say, of course, I mean, in the name of discipline. Former general secretary. I mean, we saw how he was handled. Former chairman. And but other people also maybe they have been handled their dispute resolution and reconciliation better. But at the end of the day, what is the consequential effect on the party? In the yes, party people or traditional party people who are so much conservative about protecting the image of their party who show concerns. But what about also the ordinary Ghanaians? So let's even assume, without admitting Kennedy was even wrong, just an assumption. You will still need him. You will still need Nkwofo. You will still need people that look up to him. Instead of say, yeah, we are justifying who was right or who is not right. Why don't we sit down, say sorry to each other? Let's forgive ourselves and move on. So we can do a deal.
Yeah.
The call says no reason. If we had listened to him yesterday, or say may there any chamber Koya Juma, may there any Abronya Koya campaign, may there any Coca Koya campaign, may there any Addressa Koya campaign. Don't you think this is a man who is making an honest admission that this is what worries me? So let's address it.
Yeah, but he also said, but also can
address them.
Yeah. Kwesi ono nso kan nioma fa nkofo ndi sankofo no so be dan ni ono nso aye campaign. Why should it just be one-sided?
Obi, and one-sided a cry. Is that not the reason why I'm saying say this offers a movement for reconciliation?
Okay.
And once again provoking all dispute mechanisms and addressing them. Dispute mechanism is not one-sided. Reconciliation is not one-sided. Openi can answer we there's opening once a media ebia no we are dream by kwan of far so can ni susu se kefa le in 10,000 yenga we so say bia say bia kan o dem akedepi we ebia ke rule baby ayede and if other person also have concerns Ken is not the same. I mean, I'm one of the people bra oka Dr. Baumia said Dr. Baumia lie no me here na my friend am say oh asem no kra won mo e kan no. The information and the report I had, what I say is one of his team members who misrepresented the facts. I even drew his attention. What I say, and he obviously he's also a human being. He may have his strengths and he also may have his weakness, just like any other person. But that is the whole essence of party building, party rebuilding, party reconciliation. We are not saying he's the only person that has been hurt.
Sure.
But we are saying, in a party like this, when concerns are raised, we shouldn't be so dismissive about it. The party is run by human beings. The party is not run by robots. The party is not run by program computers. They are so mechanical. Even program computers make mistakes. AI sometimes can make mistakes depending on how you prompt him. And he said, party mean a member to me hurt a party now. The party which is also run by human beings and not angels can also hurt a member. But would we be on radio and arguing forth and back and forth? No. Please, let's get a truce. You're doing who is yet yet. I find no chance about his study me fanko. I share the moon at the snap of Buna. But if I say, I assume you look who run a bread. If I home, inside them, yen be a man in Yajuma. Nothing you can care home. Ochana, you miracle smoke or Yajuma, or what the Anamana, because if I can never assume the Anamha. Now, yes, sir. Because and now share global info analytics and you are the buy who is or young or see if you have to replay 2024 MPP will be doing 34%. Anna NDC with Mahama will be doing 63%. Let's assume Mahama will not even be going. And the emphasis 10% and because they will be bringing a new candidate. Also be under 50%.
Yes.
So why do we think, say, at a moment like this, we cannot forgive each other, where irrespective of who is right or who is wrong, and come together and stop being mechanical and they permanently party and embrace it? Who does it benefit?
I get your bit, but I mean, knowing Honorable Ken, like you do you think, sir, and from how he spoke yesterday, or you amenable to any form of reconciliation?
What was it? Omo ka omo adwen pa no. So I said ya, omo ka wi na free ho. Ana wonim, Ken nsem o kan yin na men kan assemble akwa. This is my personal view.
Okay.
Say enye contest na yakọ. Ana be Ken assemble the usual Ken, this wouldn't have been an issue. It's just right after the contest.
Yeah.
And everybody could read any meaning into this. And also who said then he also have to also make his claims very clear. Oh guys, I mean, Afari Assembly was just an opportunity to say that MPP Ghanaians hold us to a higher standard. And when we have an opportunity to finish a project, we should have finished. Other than that, when we question the NDC or criticize them, Ghanaians will refer us to a cry about. Kennedy ordinarily has always been criticizing both MPP and NDC. But the reason why that became an issue was because we have just moved from a very tense election. And that should presuppose that we should admit that all is not well. And if all is not well, what do? We need to provoke the reconciliation battles.
But there is such a thing called anti-party conduct. I mean, even a simple dipstick surveyor, a lot of more party members would have issues with the party, would have issues. In fact, Nansanya mo polling station elections, krano, yatete nsem from a lot of polling stations. Baby omontimi antwaba, baby a confusion fee, party for one were nsem eka. But do you think they should all adopt the Honorable Ken approach? Then you guys will have no party, no? And that's why Bianco Fobi Free said, he's holding the party to ransom too much. And I've read a petition one of the young guys in the party na actual said party in taking it through the disciplinary process. You think say all of that enye necessary for now?
We a lawyer ni.
Yes.
They actually a law who pay litigation.
That's true.
Say assembly dina court mu bia atwemanso.
Absolutely.
Even in litigation, you start trying to say if it be dispute resolution.
Yes.
Settlement in
yes.
Arbitration in
yes.
We also say in the wisdom of the framers of the law, no. Who say no answer. And so there's somebody that court. I mean, if you want to be mechanical about everything, I don't think it will benefit anyone. That's why I say that this is an opportunity for engagement and not an opportunity for condemnation and being mechanical under the umbrella of the law.
Okay.
But being mechanical there, in this place I said that well, who provoked those battles? What I say, who provoked those battles? So why is it that you say that those battles has become necessary to provoke? Oh yes, sir. What you are saying is that, you see, let me put it this way. When somebody loses an election, maybe, just maybe, the person will be at liberty to become better or paint, depending on any description you want to give the person. Fair deal. Because we are losing election, be any more than the other edge. But who win election, you have a greater responsibility to ensure, say, even the way or supposed better and pain, you still bring the person along. Yes, you can be able to take Kennedy Japan through party disciplinary process. What is the West? The West is say this panel from the party. Are we ready for the consequence of that? Obi, free money so yes, party I'm for one individual. Oh, no individual is bigger than the party. Yes, it is true. No individual is bigger than the party. But are the individuals inclusion or exclusion can also affect our fortunes, especially timing. Looking at the timing. So you be there we are not 2020 is that going to a new candidate defend this year, but also back to open 8 years and
In fact, I mean, Omua make his argument like I said before 2016 elections, Mo national chairman, Mo general secretary, first vice chair, still I'm winning elections, and the Honorable Ken can go and you can still win. Argument, no.
Obi, it is not a reconciliation argument, and I mean, for lack of better words, if you ask me, it is not a wise conversation or argument. I think it's America. Season beyond the facts it presents and the dynamics that it presents. We are at a crossroad where we need numbers. Opamo Kwabena Japan, chairman. At that time, what was the mood of the nation? The mood of the nation before Pamo Kwabena Japan, the mood was turning. Say, you need a minor Opamo Afoku. What was the mood of the nation then? Can you say the same mood today? Can you say the same mood today? When you compare all the dynamics or all the indicators, can you say all the mood today? The mood today requires that the MPP needs to be united as one accord and as stronger as never before as compared to them.
And what will be 2027 pan 2027 a year Sabre no Bekasada and one Cassani. Me won say nkofo be bira twotwo e wo social media ne ade me pese me bobodi an ye obekasa won kasa ebi nko ase the party must act now. Yes sir, what is hard is an wagu party minim say what tie social media commentary ni ade ade
party they acting now. What will be of the consequence? What afena Ken over by politics above brand. What will be of the consequence? Kwame, so woman, say you feel about politics above brand. The political party ni pani ade.
Ya di nipa
ulu one person now the nipa thousands of nipa ne bekwa. And then you have to set up. Now what to social media na mo can say now there's what you. What does he got to lose? Nothing. Nothing, Kwame. A crown call on the MPP to set up and then revise their notes. And that's Kwame MPP set your position you go. Some people position you go. All the customers will be and your politics and hello. Odi.
Banko fonse say a party awodo. And also many yewa jojo tibo susu air can was say the base na womote no yewa ka de compare kwa Japan ne baba be di the base nanim party nanim na wono mo de akosi agan enti akoma so bia base na wo koi wo de dom ko na me de ada bia me ka no ambrase ene obuo kwan so se unity ya na ka ehia ugidi se sabre nka tetewa ye wo BJ Darucha tetewa ye wo JH Mensa tetewa ye wo enkofo titire CK Tedam enko tetewa ye wo nipa bi chamafo komo tetewa ye wo nipa bi ana omudi ntitiman pa etise ousa ye wo ousa jimanom ene enkofo no ye party mpanimfo ya de ye huni ene ka mo ba huni bi
aka masa asamna no aka nke masa badanya basa nkina aba omukwa
asiye ka kwa wo ba kumasia sabre ye wo FF antonom ye wo doctor say donkofo duonom ye wo chese asi
family pa obo mudu o de ye fa sanctuary back in strong beach obi ayi ko ma o mun kata e fa say doctor donkofo jumpu de ni wa emre en sembi o ha bia obeka bi bat o mun fa nyere bi go
e wa ya man kwa wo ho ye wo FF anto wo ho
o sanji pa obo mudu na kwa me o ka obi an fa nyere because party no baby e could be any baby ababu do I say na MPP party
baby e could be na party e could be MPP for monsem
MPP party one kete ya uke ya nche die se uke mo santi bi sare ka MPP ni ban yi se brania uso so the phone
hey okay papa na me friend bikai no
bikai don't bikai because discipline
and na no say me hwese sabi nyan kasa me chairman abonye echi doctor na ne pa doctor na ne edi ni gina ho se kane na ye doctor no na ndukura na de mankofo nani nyina ye wuduro no no wu Emma Dr. Anani I want no senior gynecologist go for time the Rose Minister nie the Health Minister nie hey
and I make us Dr. Anani na why not John said if you are for the book na politics John career if not how can I wait me can we have Dr. Anani
no suffer
no I now let me not make up I mean them be careful open
Abusia lawyer Kwesi Party wono honorable Ken Akompro Japan ne kasamafo ono nsem era yakwakuti na Ghana fo ese yembisa honorable Kwesi Party nse aso honorable Ken Akompro Japan wo ni paketwa ewo NPP party ni wo bi a wache yi pa ewo party ni ya wo ni party mechanisms ni na it is honorable NPP ni mapa na sa unity ya Kwesi Party free so honorable enim say unity na ehia MPP for dia and ye dey see honorable Ken Akompro Japan kwan so we no be make first steps of first unity no anka ye hu ye eyewo and amafo kwa kan sem dia fa mpani for so opini due matementi kan sem kwa kan what anka we peniti ka won say ye e sign party menti e Ghana for say so kwa manfo so dia and we so won flare so we dia sawa e betare so honorable who say we MPP ni no aba bonten na so na give say we ku MPP ni mu ase na wa say party ni dia e be BBNC party no so kwan say wo so e be honorable Ken Akompro Japan e be party we say we say e be for say be dia ko e say be dia sanse wo e ko so tina party na so be how the party ni dia e be party no e ku bi da no kwa party na pa mo no wo no le ko e owura Alan Korecha Manten one na say sabi the free party no ko ye no Ghana for the council we say be ha party ni dey ampa party no opposition dey na so say MPP da say MPP sabi we from akwa UP we that's one from we want to get into Ghana for just say MPP for decide on honorable Ken na say any na be party ni dia and party first but we so just say one so any nipa ye de nipa e na ya de nipa so e honam fom so wo eti honorable e panten ko NPP e dom eti so wo so e pen ka bo mu dia e me wo hwe so mbesim kunya na se metie bia no wo metini aka honorable Ken Akompro Japan e de no aba party ni se metie bia no wo ba na se e ye ono kwampo na e ba e 50+1 e na wo hia ansa e na metini e de nkunu nte wo so afam ne nsem ya Ghana fo kan ne no and I'm with the about someone. Most so good job here. Our comment section for all the social media handles no. Too much GH. What's subscribe like ya share? Not before so we be share. Macron.